Well, hi, welcome back. This is Kim. Today I'm going to show you how to see your computer specifications. Have you ever wondered how much RAM do I have? What version of Windows do I have? How much room is left on that hard drive? Well, to get some basic specs, it's pretty easy. You go to Start, Settings, System, which is right here. Click on About, down here at the bottom. And you have some information right here. So the device specs tell you the computer name. You can rename it if you want. It tells you what the processor is, how much RAM, 64-bit operating system. You can go down a little lower. The Windows specifications will tell you that it's Windows 10 Pro, what version, when it was installed. This is the build number. If you ever call Microsoft support, they're going to want this number because they want to know what quality update version it is, which is this 450 number. Yeah, so that's a very basic view, which is probably everything you'll ever need. But if you want more, there's more. So you go down here and type in system information. There it goes. It comes up right there. So this tells you everything you want to know. A lot of it's the same it was on the other page that we were just on, but there's much more detail and much more things on here. You can go crazy looking through it all, but it'll tell you, this is the build version of Windows 10, 19041. You got all the system manufacturer. You have a lot more information here. If you go over here to components, you'll see all the specific components. Like if I wanted to see, I don't know what sound device I had, it tells you. NVIDIA high definition audio. What modem do I have? Nobody uses modems. I don't think there is one on here. Anyways, network adapter. So a lot of information in here. Let's say you wanted to print this network adapter information. So while you're in this, so if you just wanted to summary, you'd get everything. But let's say I just wanted the network adapter. So anyways, you go up here, File, Export, System Specs. I don't know, I'll save it on the desktop. And hit Save. So then now, it'll open up and it'll have all the information here on the adapter that we just had. You can save this for, I don't know why you would need it, but if somebody asks you if you need it from some hardware, you want to upgrade your hardware, you want to see what you had, you want to make sure you got something better, or if you're trying to get something to work and they want to know what the specs are that you have, you can give them very detailed information. So there you go. That's a quick, easy way to find out what you have on your computer. Oh, I almost forgot. If you wanted to know how much hard drive space you have left, you would go here to Storage, Drives, and it'll tell you. So it's your C drive. The size is 930.95 gigabytes. You have 857 gigabytes left. Plenty of room. And drive D is a CD-ROM. So yeah, you can get to anything on the entire computer in here. Let's see what else. We got components and we got software. So everything's in there. More information than you probably wanted, wasn't it? Anyways, thanks for stopping by. I hope you found this helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon.